Hello and welcome. It's Thursday, so it's Stream Clinic,
Hi guys.
and we've got something very exciting and special to share with you.
Yes.
Our new macOS desktop version is officially available for download. And who's better to guide us through this lovely journey than our own tech maestro, Greg?
Thank you, Bianca. But no more words. Let's jump into the macOS version and do a special walkthrough. So
Let's do
let's
it.
go. So let me give you a walkthrough how you can use the RECnGO macOS version. This is the first desktop version. So in a nutshell, you can do the same things as you used to do before with the RECnGO tablet or mobile version actually. So I just switched to local camera device, the built-in web camera that I use with the RECnGO right now. So you can use the built-in camera if you would like to add an external camera sources via mobile devices, phones or tablets, Android or iOS, both you can use. Just use your phone, open the RECnGO, click on to use the same studio account, use an external device. Wait a sec, I'm using my external camera sources as well, and I just add as an external camera source to the system here. As you can see, voila, now I have the RECnGO external camera source, and just click here. You can do the same things, switch between the camera angles. Hi guys, I'm here. I just added an external camera source into the RECnGO system easily via mobile device. I use my iPhone right now. This is an iOS version, tablet or phones, but you can use your Android devices as well. Phones and tablets as well, of course, can be an external camera source. So let's go back here. Here at the Add Source panel, you can add easily, pictures like a logo picture, or you can add a presentation slide easily. Just send to yourself this presentation slide with JPEG or PNG, or you can just easily add a video here and just click here, and you can see your video during the production. This is just a football game intro. Okay, thank you for the intro, and let's go back live. Here is me with this camera source. So let's click here at camera. So you can choose video clip from your photos library, video clip from your disk, which means if you use your iOS devices, with an Apple account, and if you have a cloud based storage, you can get the files directly from your cloud, or you can use your from the disk, the storage from this MacBook OS, but you can add image as well, of course. Here you can see the external pin code. This is if you're doing an external camera sources. If you add an external camera source into the RECnGO system, you need to use this external pin if you don't use the same logged in account into the RECnGO system. Okay, let's go back here. What else you can do? So this is just the same dashboard interface. Okay, I created a graphic design with Photoshop. I send it to myself, and you can just easily add here and go back. And here is a presentation slide, in picture. So for instance, when you're doing a show, okay guys, I'm presenting a show, just I put it as a wrong way. So you can show the presentation slide on the screen again as well, or you can just step here. Here is the presentation slide, it's the full screen, and here is a presentation slide again, just in the corner. And here's another graphic design that I created via Canva and send it to myself. It's very easy to use. Of course, you can use the audio mix panel here again, so you just able to switch between the camera source and switch between the audio sources as well. So now I'm using this camera source you know, without source file, and I use the microphone. You know, you can add external microphones as well, you know, into the RECnGO system, so you can get the best quality sound to use with the RECnGO. Okay, let's go back. Okay, just mute and unmute this. Okay, let's go here. If you would like to add, let's say, a logo, you can add a logo here. So just a sec, I created this logo. Yep. Okay, if you would like to add some other, you know, background, you can add a solid fill here. Yeah, it's very easy to use. Let's make it a little bit like this one. Change the color. Blue one. Yep. Add some text here. Okay, change the size. Set text. Hello. Okay. Center. And voila. If you would to change the position, I just put the position here. Okay, I got it. Yeah, done. And I have a text on the picture. I can rename this layer logo layer to know what I should use during the presentation. I can change you know, yeah, let's do this, add, and voila, you know, it's very easy to use and manipulate during your video production or live video production. What else you can do? Here's the setting menu again. You can add a name on your projects, you can choose the orientation, but once you choose the orientation you cannot change it. So if you would like to do a vertical video, please create a new project with a vertical orientation. You can choose the quality, which is the full HD. Right now the internet connection is perfect, so low latency is okay. Streaming disabled. What you can do with the RECnGO actually, so you can go just recording, which means if you would like to just record a video with the RECnGO, you can do this. It's very easy to do, because I mean, if you would like to just record the video from the studio device, you can do this. Just choose streaming disabled and choose local recording on. If you would like to, you know, save your every camera angles files as well, just click here, remote recording on, you know. So after the production you will get every camera sources video files, and you will get the production, you know, the studio interface video production files as well. So for instance, if you use a studio device, one studio device, this macOS, and if you use 3 external camera sources, Android or iOS both together, you will get, you know, 1 + 3, 4 video sources after the video production. Or you can do YouTube is integrated in the system, and you can do a Facebook live stream, you know, your Facebook live stream on your own wall, Facebook live stream on your pages or your groups as well. And you can change the visibility here for the testing. For instance, if you would like to do a test on your own wall, you can just choose only me can see the live stream. And you can use the custom RTMP feature. It's a great feature because you can do, let's say, Twitch, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other platforms live stream with the RECnGO. If you would like to do multi-streaming, you could use other softwares, create the stream URL, use the RECnGO, insert the stream URL and OK, and stream on multi-platforms thanks to the custom RTMP. So again, you can do just a recording with the RECnGO, just this is the streaming disabled, just live streaming, YouTube or Facebook, or you can do live streaming and the recording at the same time as well. You know, just click here, YouTube and recording. This means, you know, just not doing anything else, just a YouTube live stream. YouTube plus recording, you know, means you will do live stream and recording at the same time. Okay, let's close it. What else? If we go back here, switch between the projects. Okay, this is the RECnGO projects management interface. So here you can see your projects, and here is the information panel. As you can see here, you can add a new project, choose orientation, you know, from from here. Yes, so you know, the same features in the RECnGO macOS version as used to use from the iPad or the iOS version. I just added my camera here back because we just, you know, go back from the project section. Yes, so if you would like to just rename this camera source, you can do it easily, camera 1. So in the future, we will discuss and see so many things and go to walk through how you can use RECnGO via macOS combined with Android and iOS devices, how you can use your external camera sources via cables, you know, to add mirrors or other cameras into the RECnGO system. And yeah, I hope you guys just enjoyed this you know, perfect walkthrough, short walkthrough from the RECnGO macOS. And thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much for guiding us through, Greg.
Thank you, guys. So if you have any questions or comments, please use the comment section below. Leave your thoughts and your questions there. So feel free to contact us anytime. We are happy to help you. And, you know, just use the RECnGO and enjoy. Thank you.
See you next time.